The Tractor C long 50 horsepower 4x4. Fuel tank was 60 liter and we can change it as requirements. Armor tires with cabin fully air conditioned, heat and cool. 4-cylinder with camera, 4 direction 360 directions for camera, 2 spool valves, 3 H points, rear ballast and front ballast too. Lydon engine LD. Let's see the cabin. The cabin, the chair is adjustable, front and rear, up and down. The cabin is fully air conditioned, heat and cooled. Here for protection, for your protection, if something happened and the cabin locked suddenly.